Lord have mercy. Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. So some of you guys suggested that I should do I tried a hair look or a hair tutorial from the Chic Natural. I think I got like a few requests to do the Chic Natural's you know, hairstyles. One of the natural hair gurus here on YT, and I absolutely love her work. Like, she is just beautiful, she is gorgeous, and her tutorials are just like straight on point. And she has long hair, okay, so my hair is pretty short, so we're gonna see what we can achieve with this. So I tried to pick up a hairstyle that I felt like I can redo. I actually have another tutorial on this kind of hairstyle. I'll leave a link somewhere here, but I did the other tutorial using like crochet braids, or I did crochet braids on the other tutorial. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video, and make sure you guys have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button. Also turn on your notification button so that you will be notified when I do upload videos. So yes, stay tuned guys. Alright, so the first thing she's doing is she's parting hair. She's making a part from ear to ear. Okay, so we're just gonna try and do exactly that.
Starting on stretched hair, the first thing I'm doing is making a part going from ear to separate my hair.
One thing about Chic Natural, guys, she knows how to part her hair. Like, seriously, her parts are always on point. Like, seriously.
Won't be visible when we're all done, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make that part going straight across.
What she's saying is when you're done, all this part is not going to be visible, so don't be worried about it being looking nice and detailed. It won't be visible, okay, when we're done. All right, so the next thing she's doing is she's brushing her hair. I will use my Denman brush to brush my hair to the back, just to gather this hair. Oh gosh, the thing about false hair, guys, it is always hard to brush, like, seriously.
Now for the back half, I'm brushing off the hair flat, gathering it together.
Oh damn. Alright guys, so because her hair is pretty long, she did some twists on this hair, and look at mine, my baby puff, my baby whatever. So I'm just gonna like twirl it and then get a pin. Where can I get a pin? Twirl it and just pin it at the back. I'll turn around so you guys can see. So, and just, that's all I did. Okay, let's go. So we're right at the front now. So she pulls her hair like this, and she's like, all right, back to the front. Like, her hair is long, hunty, so it goes like all the way like here. She said, all right, all the way to the front, but we're gonna pretend that our hair is long, okay, all the way to the front. But ours is just, shout out to the short hair girls. Okay, we're gonna do this, definitely, we'll find a way. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna make a part from mid brow. So mid brow is somewhere right here, okay, diagonal line.
About mid brow, I'm making a part on a slight diagonal going towards the back on the other side. And now we have this middle section going, and I'm gonna take some gel because I want this to be a sleek style.
We have this middle part going on, so I'm just gonna use my Eco Styler gel and start laying down the hair at the front and around the hair, okay, so that we slick this hair down, okay. Let's see.
It all up to smooth the hair.
So I'm going to use this my brush to smooth this down. We're struggling right here. Okay, to lay this hair down, we need a little bit more gel. It is actually slicking down. Okay, let's brush it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab another rubber band. Okay, so what's next? Okay, hold on, let's go back a little bit.
I'm splitting the ponytail in half and making a twist.
I'm gonna split this ponytail down and make a twist. Okay, this is so funny, guys. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, and make a twist. Let's just pretend my hair goes all the way till somewhere there. You know that lady here who was doing this to her hair? You know, this is what we're doing. Pretend. Okay, we're walking by faith, hunty. So what does she do next then? Let's see.
You can secure this with a bobby pin if needed.
So we're gonna make a bunty knot. Okay, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Jeez. Okay, I got you, girls. Let's just do it. It will come out together, trust me. Okay. Oh, we're now doing the other. Which side are we doing now? This side. Okay, so we're gonna create another part,
starting at the end of the part that's already created and dividing the hair in half, going in a downward diagonal.
Okay, so I think we're gonna repeat the same process right here. So this is exactly what we're trying to do. Okay, hold on. She's already on the other side, and her hair is long. It shouldn't take her that long, but for some of us it's taking us forever. Like seriously, the struggle is real. Okay, smooth that out and make another ponytail. Come through, baby bunty knots. We can do this. Let's just do the other side. Okay, this is so much fun, guys. If your hair is pretty thin like mine and you're trying to have that nice hairstyle and it's just not cooperating.
Knots completed. I'm taking a little more gel around my edges.
We're doing the edges now. So she went ahead and used a stocking cap, you know, the wig cap, to cover the back of the hair. So she's using a lace front, but I don't really have the particular one she's using. Okay, I just had to use one of the wigs that I have, but this is like a frontal wig. I don't know which company sent me this hair, so we're gonna see how we're gonna do this. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, so we're just gonna use the combs.
I'm using the combs to attach it to my hair.
and she's like, oh, we done, let's just fluff it up. This is a total fail. Oh my days, guys, this is a total fail, like total fail. Oh my god. Look at that mess. Like, I know this hair is longer, but it's not looking the same. So major disaster. This looks like a major disaster. So don't worry guys, we're gonna sort this out. Like, trust me, we're gonna sort this out. So just bear with me, we're gonna make it work. So what we're gonna do, you guys, one, our bunty knots are extra not visible at all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some expression hair, okay, and see if we can enhance the bunty knots, because we're not going anywhere looking that crazy, guys. Like, trust me, it's not good. So I'm just undoing, I'm ruffling what it was already. Do like a 3-strand first using the other piece of the twist you did, okay, and then start twisting the two together, okay. So we can do our bunty knot using this. Hopefully this will turn out better. What do you think, guys? Like, seriously, we got this. Like I told you guys, I got you, short hair girls, I got you. Look at that, from that to that, like, seriously. Can do this, okay? You don't have to give up because your hair is not the same as the other person's hair. You can actually go ahead and find a way to make it work, okay? Oh, na, na, na. Young brother. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Alright guys, I think this is looking a bit more like exactly what she did, okay? Like a bit closer to her kind of bunty knots, okay? Yeah, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the unit, you guys. It looks hella long. I'm gonna make it shorter and see if we can rock this hairstyle, okay? Just yeah, so this looks a bit more like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim this unit, make it a bit shorter. Let's see how we can manage this, guys. Or what do you think? Should we? I was gonna actually trim it, but I'm actually thinking we can just, you know, let's do this. I'm just gonna tease the hair, okay? See if it can be a little bit shorter. This is so that we can actually reuse this unit, because this is a nice unit, so I'm not gonna ruin it and trim it. So this looks absolutely much better than it was looking, okay? So just fluffing it up.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up way, be on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah.
Alright guys, so this is what I come up with. So the first part of this tutorial, guys, was a major fail. Like seriously, I was like, oh my god, what is going on here? Okay. It was not good. It wasn't looking good. So I just wanted to show you guys that even if your hair is that short, don't be discouraged. You can actually achieve any hairstyle you want in this world. Okay, so I had to go ahead and improvise and use some extensions just to, you know, to give my baby bantanos a boost. Okay, so that they grow a little bit. Okay, they have a little bit of volume. Okay, so they were looking hella crazy. I'm sure you guys had a good laugh. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna leave the Thechicnatural'S video in the description box down below, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.